record?
Yeah.
Second? Don't record me singing, I have a horrible voice.
Well, it's a good thing the camera's on this side, because I'm going to play standing like this. So, be glad you're not staring at my crotch.
Diseased hand.
That's Bruce's hand.
Like fish.
I fucking dropped it.
Do it again. Start playing. Yeah, it was vibrating strings along with the noise.
Oh, really?
Ryan, stop clipping the audio like a bitch.
What?
Stop clipping the audio like a bitch.
The entire time you were playing, the audio didn't move at all. It was just red the entire time.
Something there is just on. It's also the beginning of a Jackson Brown song. Yeah, man, you're clipping the audio.
Alright. Well, that was our audio test, I guess.
Yeah, I guess.